Now let's try to use the intelligent control. Switch to touch screen, and then here you choose the auto, and then can enter the rated power of the generator. For example, 1000 kilowatt. And then here confirm, and then here from 0, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, and then 10% overload. The on-load duration can be reset. For example, 0, 1 minute, and then 250, 5 minutes, and then here 30 minutes, and then 10 minutes, and 30 minutes, 10 minutes. This is the load from 0 to 110%, and offload can be resettable too. Confirm and start. It will start the testing automatically. The design is interlocked, so if you did not turn on the fan, you cannot use the load step. Yeah. And so it is also good for the one-step load like this. One-step load. No. It's interlocked. So to avoid the mistake. Our advice is running the fan after you turn off the load step, running the fan for around 10 minutes to make it cooling down. It is good to prolong the life of the resistors.